How do I report alimony payments on my taxes? Have you ever wondered how to handle alimony payments when it comes to your taxes? Understanding how to report these payments can make a big difference in your financial situation after a divorce. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's talk about what alimony is. Alimony, also known as spousal support, is a payment made by one spouse to the other during or after a divorce. The tax treatment of alimony payments depends on when your divorce was finalized. If your divorce was finalized before the year 2019, the rules are quite different. In this case, the person paying alimony can deduct these payments from their taxable income. This means they can reduce the amount of income they have to pay taxes on. On the other hand, the recipient of the alimony must report the payments as taxable income. To qualify for this deduction, the payments must be made in cash, check, or money order, and the spouses must not be living together. Now, if your divorce was finalized in 2019 or later, the rules changed significantly due to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. For these divorces, alimony payments are no longer deductible for the payer. This means that the person paying alimony cannot reduce their taxable income by the amount they pay. Additionally, the recipient does not report these payments as income. This change applies to any agreements executed or modified after December 31st, 2018. Regardless of when your divorce was finalized, it is essential to report alimony payments accurately. The recipient of alimony must provide their Social Security number to the payer. This is important because it allows the payments to be properly documented on tax returns. If this information is not provided, it could lead to a fine from the Internal Revenue Service. When going through a divorce, understanding these tax rules is vital for managing financial obligations. It can affect both parties' financial situations significantly. Therefore, when negotiating a divorce settlement, consider the tax implications of alimony payments. Consulting with a tax professional can help ensure that all payments are reported correctly and that both parties comply with tax laws. So, whether you are paying or receiving alimony, knowing how to report these payments on your taxes is essential. It can help you avoid any surprises come tax season and ensure that you are following the law.